I'm Peter Diamantakis and this is Joshua Jarrod from Ray Rd Pakenham, and today we're truly excited with what we have to show you.
A custom-built home with quality in every corner, not to mention the 10-car shed perfect for a workshop, caravans, boats or trailers.
With custom and sleek finishes throughout, no expenses have been spent. The chef of the home is going to absolutely love entertaining in this kitchen. Opportunities like these don't arise too often, so this truly is an opportunity not to be missed.
Thank you for watching. We can't wait to see you at the next Open for Inspection.